Ooh, cranky baby. Cranky baby. Bottle time. Paige. Open it. Oh, you like the doggy. You need to put water in it, honey. What is this?
Look at that. Look at that.
What is it?
Oh, cool. Look at that.
The lady in the checkout line was talking about this, and she was like, "That's kind of creepy."
Why is it creepy?
She was like, "Because it looks like it's floating." I was like, "Oh yeah."
They're weird.
Can you video so I can open it for her? It's already recording. We need Grandpa with his pocket knife.
Shut up, Jane.
Be nice.
It's 5:45 in the morning. We've been up for over an hour.
Oh.
It's hard to be
Hey,
nice.
it's their first Christmas.
Remember this. This is your first Christmas. If you get up this early again, you'll get spanked.
Look how cool that is.
Mommy will probably be the first one to spank you. Yes, she will. Yes, she will. But you are still cute at this age. When you're 14 and annoying, I don't know, we'll probably get you cardboard.
It's kind of boring if you don't play with it, honey. You like this part, huh? Are you going to record her?
Turn it over.
How do I turn it over?
Flip it over. Make the little thingies go down.
Oh. Baby, you're recording, sugar. Daddy's not so good at this. Daddy's having more fun than baby is.
I'm trying to show her.
Daddy.
What? Alright, next present. Ready? Jay's just topping out the bottle.
Yeah. Should have just gotten him more bottles. Oh.
Whoa!
Oh, honey, don't cry. Yay. Look,
Look at
Daddy!
Excuse me. I had to go.
I still got that on camera.
No, you didn't.